Welcome. If you have too many sticker packs cluttering your Telegram and want to clean things up, this quick guide will walk you through how to remove any sticker set in just a few taps. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. You can use any chat for this, so just pick one from your list. It can be a personal chat, a group, or even your saved messages. Once the chat is open, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. Inside the message box, you will see the small emoji icon on the left side. Tap that emoji icon. This will open the panel where you normally choose emojis and stickers. Along the bottom, you will see different tabs. Switch to the stickers tab so you can see all your sticker sets. Now, look for the small settings icon at the bottom of the stickers panel. It usually looks like a gear. Tap on that settings icon to open your sticker management screen. Here, you will see a list of all the sticker sets that are currently added to your Telegram. Scroll down through the list until you find the specific sticker set you want to remove. Take a moment to double check so you do not delete a pack you still use. When you find the one you want to get rid of, look for the three dots icon next to its name. Tap on those three dots, and from the options that appear, tap Remove. Telegram will instantly remove that sticker set from your list, and it will no longer appear in your stickers panel when you are chatting. Repeat the same steps for any other sticker sets you no longer need. Open any chat, tap the emoji icon, go to the stickers tab, open settings, scroll to the pack, tap the three dots and hit remove.